Hello class, how are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. Yes, welcome back to the class. So let's do some revision of numbers. Yes. So what comes after 654? Remember, we have done counting from 501 to 700. So now you should be well revised with all the numbers from 501 till 700. Yes, kids? Good. So the question is, what comes after 654? What comes after 654? Yes. So do you know the answer? Yes. Let's see the options. A, is it 655 or B, 665? What is the answer? Very good, 655. 655. What comes after 654? 655. Very good. Let's take the next question. You have to choose the correct answer. What comes before 609? What comes before 609? Yes. So do you know the answer? Let's see the options. A, is it 608 or B, 689? Yes. So do you know the answer? The answer is very good. 608. 608, 609. Yes, very good. So let's start. Today we are doing missing numbers from 1 to 250. 1 to 250. Now kids, you have done this topic before. You know that missing numbers is when in a sequence few numbers are missing. You cannot see the numbers. So you will have to think the counting and then you will have to write. Yes? So let's see some questions. Yes. So we are doing missing numbers from 1 to 250. 1 to 250. See the first one. Yes. So it's 232, 236. So there are some missing numbers in between. What will be the missing numbers? 233, 234 and 235. So if you can see, you must know the counting really well. Okay? That is why I keep on telling you, you must always be ready with your counting. You must always learn the counting. So say with me, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236. Very good. Let's see the next one. 114, 118. So in between these blanks are there. So see 114, 115, 116, 117 and 118. Yes. So the counting from 114 to 118. 114, 115, 116, 117, 118. Yes. Let's see the next one. 93 and 97. Which are the numbers which come in between? 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Yes. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. So kids, when you will be doing missing numbers, there will be blanks in between. There will be blanks in between and you will have to fill in the numbers. Let's see the next question. 209 till 213, and there are 3 blanks in between. So you can see the answer: 209, 210, 211, 212, 213. Let's see the next one. 186. 186 till 190. So 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. See the next question. 55 and 59. There are 3 blanks in between. So you will write after 55, 56, 57, 58, and then 59. Say with me again: 56, 57, 58, 59. 55, then we write 56, 57, 58, 59. Yes. So let's try to read this, to see this once again. See kids, these missing numbers are very easy. Once you know the sequence, once you know the counting, it will be very easy for you. So make sure that you revise your counting, you write your counting and again, and you revise it. So knowing the numbers, it's very important, right? So let's do it once again. 232 and 236. There are 3 blanks. So how you will write after 232? 233. After that 234. Then 235. And then 236. So you have to bring a link between the first number and the last number. See the next question. 114 and 118. So the answer is 115, 116, 117 and 118. The next one, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Next, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213. Then 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. After that, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Yes. So today we have a very small topic of missing numbers. So you will try to copy these questions, and before also we have sent you a written format that you will copy and do it. Okay. And you will try to learn how to do the missing numbers. Alright. So well done for today. Until then, take care and we'll meet soon for the next class. Bye-bye.